Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the filter in Philips 4000i series air purifier. First, you need to make sure that your device is not plugged into power. So unplug it, then just turn it over. And you should be able to take this cover off. It's pretty easy. Make sure that the tapes that may be on the sides are not just unconnected, and then you should be able to easily take it out. So I'm gonna unconnect this other tape, and now you can take this thing out. And if you previously had a filter in, then you should take it out. Then you can take a new filter. It's gonna be wrapped in a plastic bag, so you should take this plastic bag out, which I'm not gonna do right now, but it's required in order for everything to work and not break. And when that's done, just put the filter in this way, so the Philips logo faces like that, so it's a handle, so it will be easy to take the filter out. So that's how you should put it in, all the way. And also, if you are using your device for the first time and it's brand new, then the filter is gonna be inside, but it's gonna be in the plastic bag, so you should take it out anyway. Take it out of the plastic bag and put it back in. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.